Hello YouTube friends, I'm back again. Got my new body camera. Going to do a little bit of a review here. I've been using this Pyle, P-Y-L-E, Pyle camera for 2 years. Kind of a little bit heavy, not bad. Awesome camera. Made a lot of videos on it, used it for 2 years. Says it's waterproof. I'm looking to where it says waterproof. Anyway, I don't want to make a long boring video, but it's trust me, it says waterproof. I dropped it in the lake when I was fishing and it ruined it. Put it in a Ziploc bag of rice for 2 weeks, it's ruined. It's got its own memory storage, and it'll also take a micro SD memory card. But it's got its own memory. I've got 2 videos I made while I was fishing with it, and I can't get the videos off of it. Dropped it in the water for about 30-40 seconds and it's ruined. Junk. Today I received my newest body camera. Don't even know what the name of it is. Owner's manual. It's a lot smaller compared to the Pyle body camera. Get it over here off of that. Big difference in the size. This thing is lightweight, and I would clank this on my sun visor while I was driving and use it as a dash cam. Well, see, this thing is small, lightweight. It's got the clamp on it that folds up. I could clamp it on my sun visor as a dash cam. Got a memory card, micro SD memory card in the bottom. Comes with this attachment with a screw hole. And this, I assume you put it around some handlebars on a motorcycle. It's the only thing I could figure. So the Pyle body camera is not waterproof. Awesome camera, works great. Made many videos with this. It is not waterproof. This one, I don't remember if it said waterproof or not. I just ain't gonna let it get in the water. Comes with the outer plastic case snapped on there somehow. So I'm recording with just a regular Sony digital camera. I recently got me a bag to carry all my recording equipment, a card reader, a small tripod in there, another digital camera there, Coolpix, Nikon Coolpix camera, battery charger for this camera, USB. So I got me a carrying case for my cameras to make my YouTube videos with. I just want to make a video of the Pyle body camera is not waterproof. I like this new one a lot better. I've already shot a video with it. Works great. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else.